We're here today planting some trees for Hobart City Council down on Morrison Street. There were some old trees there that had died, so we have come out and taken the stumps out, and we're planting some Zelkova serrata in. So we've had to hydrovac out the old stumps and taking them up to the tip, and then we're putting in the new trees at the moment. We've had to have traffic control to divert people around. Everything's gone super smooth on this contract. We're looking forward to more tree planting with Hobart City Council.